This is a tenant move out video for 24 Woodward Unit 46. We just got entrance. The tenant gave us the keys. So we can see that the blinds are broken and the screen is broken and the window is left open. The screen window is left open. It appears that this window up here is broken as well. It's cracked. All right, so we'll look at the kitchen and you know, the cabinet's kind of beat. Refrigerator, it's empty. The floors are kind of beat up. The refrigerator's kind of rusted, stuff on the bottom there. The hardwood floors need to be finished. They left all of these possessions. So they left the table, they left this thing, looks like a chair, this thing here, another chair, some of this, an air conditioning, some furniture, 3 mattresses, a couple of bikes. They turned the keys into the owner and said that they had moved out. Blinds here are broken. The floors are, you know, just ridden hard, right? So we'll go up, take a look upstairs. We got the floors, and they left some beds up here. This is one of the bedrooms. All right. And then here's the other bedroom. Walls are filthy. Plus the doors are off. Got a smoke detector chirping. Bathroom is a little beat up. I mean, just dirty. All right. Let's go take a look down the basement. Look at that. This is the front door. Looks like it's got a lot of peeling there. Not necessarily a tenant issue, but an issue nonetheless. So here's a bathroom. Find the light switch for it. Here, let me see. There we go. All right. So the half bath here. We'll head down to the basement. And there's a washer dryer down here. And a couple of racks with some stuff on it. And there's a sump pump down there. There's your furnace, gas furnace, and hot water heater. And just a little dirty down here. And that pretty much is that. I'll shoot a separate video of the things that need to get done.